Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Grammarly for tone correction in automated drafts step by step clearly. Open your Grammarly account on your preferred web browser. Navigate to the dashboard where your documents are displayed. In the dashboard, find and click on the document you want to edit or create a new draft. Once your document is open, look for the right sidebar where Grammarly's suggestions will appear. Locate the Goals button at the top of the sidebar. Click on the Goals button to open the settings menu for your writing. In the Goals menu, you'll see options for audience, formality, tone, and intent. Adjust the audience setting to specify if your draft is aimed at general, knowledgeable, or expert readers. Next, set the formality level to match the desired tone of your draft. Proceed to the tone section and select the tone you wish to achieve, such as cheerful, formal, or neutral. Under the intent section, specify whether you are informing, convincing, or inspiring your readers. After setting all your preferences, click the Done button to save your changes. Now, Grammarly will analyze your draft based on the tone and other parameters you've set. Review the suggestions provided by Grammarly in the sidebar. Make adjustments to your draft according to Grammarly's recommendations for tone correction. If you feel a suggestion doesn't align with your style, you can choose to ignore it. Continue to refine your draft until you are satisfied with the tone and overall clarity. Once your edits are complete, consider running a final check with Grammarly. This ensures your automated draft maintains a consistent tone throughout. Finally, save your document and prepare to share or publish it as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.